essentially the first one over here is if you want to make money as an affiliate. In this particular example over here, you can earn a commission with TikTok Shop Affiliate. You can simply link a products from other people's stores. For example, you're making content about, let's say, running or gym, right? And there are people who are selling gym equipment or selling gym clothes or gym supplements, right? And you can essentially go and under your videos you can tag their products. You can put their products into your account, so when people shop from your account you can simply earn commission. In this particular example, the requirements and the eligibility stands that first of all your account should not be posting anything that is against the TikTok community guidance. You should have over 5,000 followers, which is half of the requirements for creativity program beta, which I believe, guys, is very, very possible. And of course you should be at least 18 years old, which again is very, very easy. I think this it's a good program.